Welcome back to Saya Resum, where we journey through the latest tech innovations with a critical eye. Today, we'll unbox a gadget that promises to change the way you interact with your home. Today we're taking a closer look at the brand new MSI Prestige 14 Flip AI. A premium 2-in-1 Ultrabook that combines elegant design, impressive performance, and flexible usability. At first glance it looks like a typical slim convertible laptop. But once you dive deeper into the hardware inside, you'll quickly realize that this machine packs far more power than its lightweight body suggests. Let's start with the design. The Prestige 14 Flip AI follows the familiar 2-in-1 Ultrabook formula. With a clean and modern chassis, the frame has a slightly squared shape with rounded corners, giving it a professional yet stylish appearance. The entire body is made from high-quality aluminum, which not only improves durability but also helps with heat dissipation. Despite being a powerful laptop, the device remains impressively portable. It measures just 0.55 inches thick and weighs around 3.02 pounds, making it easy to carry in a backpack or briefcase. Thanks to the 360-degree hinge, you can use it in multiple modes. Traditional laptop mode for work, tent mode for presentations, stand mode for watching content, or tablet mode when you want to draw or take notes. One design detail that stands out this year is the new MSI logo on the lid. Instead of the usual dragon shield or stylized lettering, MSI went with a smooth, signature-style logo that feels more artistic and refined. It gives the laptop a more premium and elegant look. Another clever feature can be found on the bottom of the laptop: a built-in storage slot for the stylus. If you're someone who constantly misplaces small accessories like wireless dongles or stylus pins, this small addition makes a big difference. It ensures that the stylus always has a dedicated place to stay when you're not using it. Moving on to connectivity, the Prestige 14 Flip AI offers a solid selection of ports despite its thin design. On the left side, you'll find one HDMI 2.1 port capable of outputting up to 8K at 60 Hz or 4K at 120 Hz, along with two Thunderbolt 4 ports that support DisplayPort and power delivery charging. On the right side, the laptop includes two USB A 3.2 Gen 2 ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack. While the port selection is generally sufficient, adding a micro SD card reader would have been a nice bonus for content creators who frequently transfer photos and videos. Now let's talk about the keyboard and touchpad. The keyboard layout is clean and well balanced, with square-shaped keys and rounded edges that are comfortable to type on. The keys are large enough to reduce accidental presses, and the power button is neatly integrated into the keyboard area, between the print screen and delete keys. The touchpad is also surprisingly large, comparable to what you'd find on other premium Ultrabooks. Even though the surface isn't glass, it still feels smooth and responsive during everyday use. Interestingly, the top corners of the touchpad include hidden shortcut buttons that allow you to quickly activate a numeric keypad mode or launch the MSI Center software. The display is another highlight. The Prestige 14 Flip AI features a 14-inch OLED touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 and a 60 Hz refresh rate. OLED technology ensures deep blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast. With 100% sRGB color coverage, the screen is well suited for multimedia consumption, as well as creative work like photo editing and graphic design. The included MSI Nano Pen is extremely slim and compact, while its small size makes it easy to store inside the laptop. Users with larger hands might find it slightly less comfortable during long drawing sessions. For users with smaller hands, however, the stylus works quite well. Finally, let's talk about performance. And this is where the Prestige 14 Flip AI really surprises. This generation is powered by the new Intel Core Ultra 300 series processors, also known as Panther Lake. Depending on the configuration, You can choose between Core Ultra X7 and X9 processors, paired with 32 GB to 64 GB of RAM and 1 TB of SSD storage. The unit we're looking at comes with the Intel Core Ultra X 7358H, featuring a 12-core processor and the integrated Intel Arc B390 GPU. This integrated graphics chip is surprisingly powerful, capable of handling demanding creative workloads and even running modern AAA games like Cyberpunk 2077, especially when technologies like CES are enabled. Despite the strong performance, the laptop remains highly efficient, with brightness set to around 200 nits and power mode on Eco. The Prestige 14 Flip AI can achieve over 20 hours of web browsing on a single charge, using its 65-watt USB-C charger. Overall, the MSI Prestige 14 Flip AI proves that a thin and lightweight 2-in-1 laptop doesn't have to sacrifice power. With its premium design, OLED touchscreen, stylus support, and surprisingly strong performance, it stands out as a versatile ultrabook for professionals, creators, and anyone who wants flexibility without compromising capability.